Later, man. See ya. Yogi Clan, what's up, y'all? Happy Saturday to you. We are leaving Iron Saturday. I am running Tail Gunner in our pack here today, which is pretty awesome. I love Tail Gunner. And I thought I'd bring you a general vlog. Really what I want to talk to you today is about the Orphan Run. I am kind of on the fence what to do with the Orphan Run. So we are scheduled for September 5th. September 5th. So, what I'd like for you to do is, if you are coming to the Orphan Run, please do me a favor and leave it down in the comments below. I would appreciate it very much so. So I'm trying to make a decision on what we're going to do. I really don't know what we're going to do. You know, man. So what's happened is, obviously COVID has happened, but in the motorcycle club community, everybody's trying to jam the first half of the year into the second half of the year. So there are events going on every single weekend. And people are getting kind of tired. And events participation is getting thinner and thinner and thinner. So I'm kind of thinking, I don't want to jam an event in there, pay $500-600 worth of fixed costs only to make $500-600 and break even and not raise money for the charity. Sacred Selections, as you know, we've adopted 11 kids, and Sacred Selections has gone to fund 9 of those adoptions. So it's huge for me and my wife to be able to pay it forward and bless other families like we've been blessed. So I don't know what to do. If you are new here to Yogi Cycle Service, I thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. I am Yogi, and here at Yogi Cycle Service, I do wrenching, I do reviews, we show you service, tips and tricks on how to maintain your bike, and basically anything Yogi related. My goodness, this light is taking forever. If you are a returning subscriber, and speaking of subscribers, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, give a brother some love. But if you're a returning subscriber, I thank you for stopping back and checking out this video. And please help me decide what the heck to do with the Orphan Run. I just don't know what to do. So right now we are heading down to a run in Monroe, North Carolina, put on by the Pub Runners, a local club. Because, you know, scratch each other's back. I'll come support your run, you come support my run. That's how we roll. This run is the Uncle George's Run, and it goes to benefit our charities. I believe it's going to Turning Point, a battered women's shelter, and also Backpack for Kids. Pub Runners is one of the clubs that's associated with the CMOU, Carolina Motorcycle Organizations United. We have good relations with them. We want to keep it that way. So we're going to go down and support this ride, support this run. Go back to their clubhouse, and there's some pretty good barbecue that they're going to be serving today. So we are looking forward to that. Hanging out with Pub Runners and any other club in this area who shows up there today. So yeah, I'm going to use this kind of as a gauge. Let's see how many people are here, and that will maybe help me determine, are we still going to do this Orphan Run or not? But if you are planning, like I said before, if you're planning on coming to the Orphan Run, I really would love if you put some comments below. You do not have to be a club member. This run, the Orphan Run, is open to the general public. Generally, we have a 50-50 split of club members and general public coming to the Orphan Run. One of the things I'm thinking about doing this year, something a little different, Facebook. You know, you pay $100 and Facebook helps you advertise. You can hit, like, I don't know, 10-15,000 people of your demographic in your local area. And that was my goal. You know, the Orphan Run, traditionally we do it every April. And I thought, you know, we pulled the plug 1 week out from the event. That's right as things were starting to shut down here in North Carolina. And right at the end of March. I was just getting ready to pull that trigger to do some Facebook advertising when I realized, let's not spend that money. So the run is held at Speedway Harley-Davidson on Bruton Smith Boulevard in Concord, North Carolina. I will have a flyer. I'll put it on Instagram and my Facebook page. And if you're not friends with those or on those pages, go check them out. Just easy. Go look up Yogi Cycle Service, and there I am. So I don't know what to do. I'm kind of at a crossroads. So I hope to make a decision hopefully by around August 1st, which would be next weekend. Not sure how quick I can release this video. Maybe I can try to get it up by Wednesday. And we're going to try to make a decision as soon as possible so everybody can plan. So there you go. That's what's on my brain right now at the moment. Besides running tail gunner with my brothers. Pretty awesome. Later, Chuck. There you go, Yogi Clan. That's all I have. Nothing too riveting, nothing too exciting. Just wanted to give an update. I will catch y'all on the next video. All right, y'all. Love you guys. Peace.